How to send multiple photos on WhatsApp. So first is to launch the WhatsApp application. And then enter the chat that you wish to send the photos in. Tap the paperclip icon, which you can find beside the camera icon. Then select the gallery icon. And then from here, you can start selecting the photos that you want to send. Now all you have to do is tap and hold the photo. Now once you see a number on the upper right corner of the picture, then select the succeeding pictures. So the photos that you have chosen will be numbered. Now once you've selected all of the image that you want to send, tap the send button, which you can find on the lower right corner, to share the photos with the recipient. So before you can send the photos, you can edit them by using the tools that are provided. Once you're done editing, you can now click the send button located on the lower right corner. And so that is how you send multiple photos on WhatsApp. Thank you and have a great day.